Namaste, welcome back to Pragna channel, and you are watching AWS 30 Days of Postman for Developers Challenge. Alright, so far we have finished 9 days. Am I correct? Yeah, we finished it till scripting. So let's go ahead and finish couple of more, shall we? Let's try to do few more days. And I think we finished what, almost one third? Not yet, maybe after this video. So as usual, let's go to day number 10. Let's create a fork into our workspace that we already created, and it will take your workspace. As you can see, we have successfully finished 9 and submitted the solutions for them. So let's go to the 10th one, click on it, or not just click on it, scroll down, view complete documentation. Let's scroll down, let's see what this is about. Mock services. It's time to work on your next challenge. The term serverless doesn't mean you don't need servers, but rather you don't need to provision and manage those servers on your own. Similarly, mock services are easy to set up APIs hosted on Postman servers that allow you to simulate real-world services in a controlled setting without the overhead of setting up your own services. Add a mock. There's many ways to set up a mock. Let's start from scratch by going to the mock servers tab in the sidebar on the left. Okay. Go to the mock servers tab in the sidebar. Where here? Yeah. Maybe I should enable this. Yeah. Maybe they should tell me to do that first. Okay. Then click create mock server and add the mock to this collection day 10. Okay. Name your mock for challenge. You won't need to fill out any of the other configuration details. Once you create the mock, copy the mock URL generated by Postman. Okay, let's go here. Create mock server. Did they say name it? Yeah. Create collection? No. We are going to select an existing collection, which is day 10. Is it day 10? No. Is it day 10? No. 7. Where is 10? 1. Maybe 10 here. Yeah, this one. Server name, mock first challenge, environment. They said don't fill anything, so I think I will listen to them. Okay, mock, and send a request to the mock URL. Let's copy this. Okay, let's go back. Okay, I copied it. Call the mock, return to the folder mock services, and add a request named mock call with the following details. Okay, let's go to collections, mock services, new request. Let's paste this one here, and the name you want me to give is what? Mock call. Can close this. Send the call to see this message. Okay, get that. To mock this request, add an example response for the mock server to return. You will need to add at least one example in this collection. Send the call. Do you mean like just send it? Okay, to mock this request, add an example for the mock server to return. You need an example. Okay, I got it, but I got it as an error. 404 not found. Okay, you will need to add at least one example in this collection. That's what I got. Since we just got a response telling us to add an example, let's save that last response as our first example by going to save response, save as example. When you create the example, you will see a new example display beneath the request in the left sidebar. Select the example to update the response body and status code of the example to something more interesting and save your changes. Okay, I think this is so vague. Save as example. And what did it do? It did something. Status code. They said something interesting, right? I think they are leaving it to us. Am I right? I think, are they talking about here? No, they're talking about here. New example. Yeah, this is the new example. And okay, select the example to update the response body and status code. Okay, how about response body instead of error? Let's say example body name the pragna test. I think that's fine. Status code 200. How about that? I think then we have to hit the try and save your changes. Okay, let's save it. Did they tell us to rename this one? I don't think so. Select the request mock call again and hit send to see the new response. Feel free to add more examples. Okay, now it is working, giving 200. And even if I call this one, it will see that example body and 200. Okay. This was a simple example of echoing back a static response. This functionality is especially helpful for designing and prototyping a new service quickly, isolating a system under test during debugging and testing by stubbing out external dependencies, simulating edge cases that may be difficult or costly to incur in production. Once you complete these steps, move on to the next folder. Okay, which I will do. But first of all, let's see. What do you want me to do? Seriously? Isn't this my body? How did they put it here? Oh, this is all dynamic. That's scary. Submit your solution. Okay, I need to put my collection. We'll do that. So let me close this. Let me close that. Close that. How many times I will open this one? Click it. You remember how to get this, right? Let's copy it. Let's go to the solution. Click on that. Let's change this environment to that and the collection ID to that. Send it. And all our test cases passed. We are happy. Pretty much that's about it. So they thought a little bit about the mock services. Okay, I will take that. Let me copy this. Okay, let's go and do the 11th one, which is about monitoring. Fork. And this is about add a request called should I water the plants to the folder monitoring with the following details. Okay, what are the details? Okay, we are going to get with water ttl hero app dot hygrometer. Send the request to see the current moisture level of our virtual plant. Add a test to validate you are getting a successful response. Okay, let's send this. Okay, I am getting a level which is good. Successful response. How will we do it? by just adding 200. Okay, I think that should be good enough, right? So let's add status code is 200. I guess, doesn't it? Test results 1. Well, that's all they said. Add a test to validate you are getting a successful response. Add another request. Add a second request. Call water the plants. Okay, the first one, should I water the plants? This one, water the plants. This is going to be post, and we are going to use this, different endpoint duration in the request body. Okay, we'll do all that awesome stuff. Let's add a request, rename that to this one. And what are all we are doing? Let's save this one. This is the URL, and it's going to be a post, and we are going to send a duration in the request body. Oh, okay. That's not body. You can choose the forms. They are talking about form data. Duration, and I think what is the value? 10. 10 for 10 for 10 seconds of watering. Don't hit send yet. We only want to water the plant if the soil is too dry. If you already water the plants, don't water. Wait a bit to get the soil dry. Okay. So we need to add conditional logic in here, right? Because if we hit send, no matter how the condition of the soil is, we will water, which we should not be doing. Add conditional logic. Return to the first request, should I water the plant, and add a conditional statement after the test under the test tab. If the soil is too dry, less than 0.06, then water the plant. Interesting. If the soil is not too dry, greater than, then you don't want to make the, okay. You can stop a collection run using that. Return to the second request and add a test to ensure the plant watering was successful. Then stop the collection run using the function from the previous step. Okay, I think I know what they are asking me to do, but it's just how do we do it? All right, I saw something. I don't know if this will work. Let's try this. And looks like we can do something like this, greater than. I don't know if this will work. We can definitely try, but this is not this much, 0.6, right? 60. If level is greater than 0. If it is greater than that one, don't do anything. So if it is greater than equal to, then what we are going to do is we are going to kill it. We are going to stop it. We are not going to run the next one. So they said we can use this one. Next request. Okay. Okay, let's put that else. Okay, else what are we going to do? We are going to run the next one. I think we can just put if. I don't know if it will work if we don't put this one. What do you guys think? If it is not greater than equal to 0, if it is greater than equal to 0, that let me send it. I don't know if it will. Okay, there is an error. JSON data is not defined. Oh, didn't I put that here? Okay, just give me a minute. Let me go here. Okay, where is this? This one. Okay, I think we will get the JSON data now. Send it. Okay, I think this is working. So let me save this. Let me save this as well. Okay, so now what will happen if we run the collection? This will run. Okay, if this level is less than 0.6, then it will trigger this, otherwise it won't. But how do we put that value? I don't know. Let's see. What are they saying here? Return to the second, water the plants and add a test to ensure the plant watering was successful. Then stop the collection run using the function from the previous step. What do you mean by this is successful? Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead and add a test here. But how am I going to add the test? Did we even post at least once? Did we do that? I don't remember. Let's try that. Okay, it's getting success true. So let's go to test. Should we add 200 or should we add the success? Let's add the success. Okay, text to include success, I guess. Oh no, it will have both success failure as well. So what are we doing? Response, we are converting that to then to include. But should I say what is our test here? Let's see that. Let's do something like this. And instead of JSON, let's put text. Okay. And now we can just use the JSON data in this place. And instead of that, let's just success to equal. EQL works, I guess. True. How about that, right? Okay, let's end this. Body matches string. Unexpected. Okay, how about I just do this JSON? Why? Am I not getting the success or what? What is the response here? Success. Okay. Or maybe if I remove this one. Okay, then it is working. Let's save this. Now let's go ahead and run this. Run manually. Okay. Both gave it triggered it, but hold on a minute. When we run the first request, what are we getting as the body? This value. So which is greater than, so it should kill this one. Then why did it trigger the second one? What are they saying here? If we run the collection, all the requests in the collection will run sequentially unless we add JavaScript to control the workflow terminated. Run the collection in the runner to ensure your code is working as expected. But how do I run it in the runner? Okay, let's say run folder. Schedule periodic runs. Nope. Automate runs via client. Did they explain us how to run using the runner? Yeah, this is what they are talking about. I used the runner, I ran it, and it gave me this, which it should not. According to it, if this one, if I get the response, or if that value, this should not be triggered at all. Is it that? So what is this doing exactly? Not this one. Yep. Set next request to null. Clearly it is not. Yeah, I know how to schedule it, but I don't think this is going to work. What do you guys think? Let's see. Let me go ahead and try this out. I am not sure. Okay, it's not this one. Submit. This sometimes it might work because they might not be testing what I am trying to run, etc. But we never know. Let's see. Yeah, it passed. That is the thing. Okay, let's see what they are trying to do here. Correct correct collection returned. Request added correctly. What is the last one? Test added correctly. I don't think they are testing it. Hmm. Okay, so it passed. It passed, but I'm just thinking. This is greater than it. So what is exactly doing it when we run? It should not run this, right? Because it is watering the plant and we are adding 10 units to it. Mhm. So this is running. I still don't know. Let me know in the comments. I'm not going to spend much time here. Let me know in the comments what do you guys think. What do you all think? All right, now let's go back. Let's copy. Let's paste it. Okay, now let's fork another one, which is monitoring. Oh, did we just do that monitoring, right? Yeah. Let's go ahead and do the Postman API. Let's fork it. Oops. I think I did something else. Postman, create a fork. What is happening? Fetch fork collection. View complete documentation. If you okay, that is done. Fork the parent collection for the Postman API into your workspace, which we already did. We have already used it in previous challenges. Add three requests in the Postman API collection. Find this request to add a copy to the. Add a request to get a single collection. Call it get single collection. Okay, that's done. Get a single environment, get a workspace. Duplicate, then copy it to this. Okay, environment done. Single workspace. Where is workspaces here? Okay, let's click duplicate. Then let's go put it there. Okay, what else? Add a collection level authorization helper. Items folder. Nope. Mhm. Okay, it's not here. Mm, it's not here. I don't think it will be here. I don't think it will be here. Okay, let's try this one. What did they say? Add three requests. Yes, we did this. And what is this? Oh, okay. We have to do it separately. Okay. We will. What are we supposed to do? Let's go minimize this. Let's see if there is anything like that. Not collection. Let's click on here. Any collection level. Oh, okay. Oh, I understand it. Copy. I don't know why I was confused. Okay, it's very simple. If you want to add something like that, header, right? Let's go to headers, paste it here. Okay, and we are going to put that. Click on it. Okay, and what is the name they want us to give? Post. They are doing this for us, for everything. I don't know why they are. Maybe it's a practice. That's fine. Click on it. We want it in a collection, so I'll add new variable called that. Scope should be collections, collection level, and the value, it will be our own value, right? Okay. Okay, well, I am trying to do, but it's asking for a value. So let's go to collections. Comments, I don't want any. Variable, yeah, value, I will give it in a minute. Okay, for now, just bear with me. Now let's go do something else. And these, they want us to rename it to something else. I hope whatever I'm doing is what they are asking. Create an environment. Create a new environment called Postman API env, which I can do. Can I do it from here as well? No, I cannot. Okay. Add the following environment variables. Let's go. Okay, what is the value? The value for this is this. And environment ID is this. Current value is not visible to everyone. Initial value is visible to everyone. So that's the difference. With the workspace ID for your current workspace, you may need to do some research on this one. Ha ha ha. Remember to only use current value for sensitive tokens. See, that's what they are talking about. Okay, anyways, the workspace ID we can get it, right? Workspace ID. That is my workspace. Is this the workspace ID? Oh, this is the workspace ID. Okay, let's go back and let's paste that one. Okay, let's go. That's done. You can run script. We already know that. Now let's go ahead and run this one. Request headers. Query params access key. Collections read-only access key using this query parameter does not require an API key to the endpoint. Model minimal. What are they telling us to do here? Run this one. Okay. So do you want me to run it? Do you want me to not run it? Okay, let's go back. This one. Okay, collection ID. Now we need to switch to this to Postman API env anyways. Now this one, it's a collection level, but we didn't set any value. Okay, where did they tell us to set that value? Now, are there any params for this? Yes, they do have params for access key, but do they want us? Are they telling us to enable them? This is optional. Both are optional. Okay, so if I go here and if I run this, will it work? It won't because I need to give the Postman API key. Give me a minute. Okay, so since our Postman API key is at collection level, you will go to the collection, click on it, and in the variables, you will give your value there. Now, if I go ahead and if I run this, it's unauthorized error, invalid API key. Every request requires a valid API key to be sent, and I am using the headers that, and I'm giving the value. Oh, it didn't take it? Why? Oh, okay. So since it's at the collection level, I have to run the collection so that it will use it. If I just run the single one, it won't use it. So let me close save changes. Or did I not save those changes? Let me see. Okay, never mind. It will actually take it. It didn't take it because I didn't save it. Now if I hit send, it took it. But still, we could not find the collection you are looking for. Instance not found. Oh, this one. Day 12 Postman API. But will this work if we give the collection ID like that? Okay, what are they exactly telling us here? Let me see. Something is not correct. We need to give the collection ID. I don't think giving it that name will work. Oh, they are talking about collection IDs. Never mind. You guys might be sitting there and laughing like, why is this guy copying those to the environment variables? Never mind. Let me copy the collection ID. Go to environments, variables. Oh, that is not environment. Yeah, collection. Okay, that's my collection. And environment is this one. Click on that. This is my environment ID. Okay, now we should be fine. Okay, 200. Okay, cool. Let's go here. Same thing. And header, do we have to add it to everything? What do they mean by this one? Collection level authorization. So if let's say I didn't add this here, will it still work? No. So I have to add something at the collection level. I think it is this one they are talking about. Okay, how about this? I will select this one. Key Let's copy this one. I think this is the key. Value. Let me pause and come back. Okay, I think that's what this is. I deleted it from here. They want us to add this authorization at the header level. I mean like collection level, not to each one of these requests. So how do we do it? We go to the click on collection, go to authorization, add the key and the value there. I think if I go here, I remove that one. If I run this, this should work. Oh, it's not. Every request requires. Okay. Authorization, obviously, I think I need to select. Yeah, that is what is selected, right? Inherit from. Oh, yeah. Since it's inherit from parent, we have to run the collection, then only it will take it. If you run the individual one, it won't. So let's go here, click here, run collection. Yeah, manually, that's fine. Yeah. Oh, all failed. The final one succeeded for some reason. Authorization failed. Okay, it's still not working, but did I not do it correctly? Key. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Did you guys figure it out or are you guys sitting there and laughing? I think this is the key. I'm doing so many mistakes today. Paste it. Control S. Okay, what if I do this one, right? Inherit. I think this will work now. Okay. We don't have to run from the collection. Okay. Get it. Now let's go here. Let's close this one. Run again. 200, 200, 200, or one failed. Get single environment. What happened to you? Okay. Let's run this. Okay. Okay. It's running fine. It's getting all the details. But why did that fail? Oh, it failed with this one. But where is this test case? Oh, this might fail here. Yeah, post submit. I think it's failing which one? The last one. Expected 3 2 equal 4. Check environment variables. 4. We don't have 4 environment variables. Yeah, we have 3. Are they expecting 4? What is the fourth one? Okay, let's go ahead and check here. What is the test case? Get single workspace. No. Which one is failing? Let's run again. Which one is failing? Get single environment. Okay. Oh, that's not it. Wait a minute. Yeah, here. Equal 4? Why 4? Okay, hold on. Go here. 3, right? They only asked us to put 3 environment variables, and why are they checking for 4? Huh? Oh, okay. These they want it to be another environment variable, but they didn't tell us. How is that our fault? That's okay. Let me pause now. Okay, let me go there first. They want this to be another environment variable. They didn't tell us. Let me pause. No, okay. So this one, instead of hard coding the value here, I parameterized it and I added that in here. But for some reason, they didn't tell us that, saying that that needs to be um, this value needs to be in the environment variables. That's okay, I guess. All right, let's go ahead and run this again. Yeah, now all five are passing. So let's go collections. Submit. Yeah, it's passed. I guess I think that should be enough, right? Yep. Is that what they are asking? Okay, these all passed. These all passed. Get the collection ID. Get the collection ID and enter it under the body tab as form data for. It's okay. I ran it from here. I took it. Validate your solution. Save your changes. Then hit send and okay. If you have any failures, body. Yeah. Don't tell me that you give me all the values of all the values here. Seriously? Wow. I should have just came here and copied all the values instead of going. Got it. Okay. Nice one. I hope you guys followed me. I mean, there is this little information that was missing here and there, but I guess we achieved it. And I think I will stop it here because it's already 40 minutes past 40 minutes. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, you know what to do. Go subscribe, like, comment, and do all that awesome stuff. And see you in the next video. Have a great day. Peace out.